In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use template or date variables in Obsidian. Open your Obsidian app. Once it launches, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your workspace and the file area on the side. From here, go to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, find Community Plugins in the left panel and click it. Then select Browse to open the plugin browser. In the search bar, type Templater. When Templater appears in the results, click Install. After the install finishes, click Enable so the plugin becomes active in your vault. Once that is enabled, stay in Settings and navigate to the Templater section under Community Plugins. In the Templater settings, find the option for Template Folder Location. Set that location to your Templates folder. If you do not already have that folder, go back to the File Explorer in Obsidian. Right-click in the File List area, choose New Folder, and name it Templates. After that, right-click on the Templates folder, create a new note inside it, and name that note Daily Note Template. Open the Daily Note Template note. On the first line, type a heading with the basic date variable. Type hash, then a space, then less than %, space tp.date. Now open parentheses, close parentheses, space %greater than. The full line should read as hash space less than %, space tp.date. Date, now open parentheses, close parentheses, space %greater than. Go to the next line. Here, add a custom formatted date. Type created : then a space, then less than %, space, tp.date. Now open parentheses, quote, d, comma, space, mmm, space do, space, yyy, quote, close parenthesis, space, %greater than. This line creates a human-readable date format. On the line below that, add navigation links for yesterday and tomorrow. Type 2 less than signs, then a space, then 2 opening square brackets, then less than %, space, tp.date. Yesterday open parentheses, close parentheses, space, %greater than, then 2 closing square brackets. After that, type a space, a vertical bar, another space, then 2 opening square brackets, then less than %, space, tp.date. Tomorrow, open parentheses, close parenthesis, space, %greater than, and then 2 closing square brackets, followed by a space and 2 greater than signs. Now add the offset date variables you see on screen for next week and last month. Enter the one for next week exactly as shown, then place the one for last month exactly as shown underneath it. Once both of those are entered and copied over correctly, proceed to the next step. Create a new note in your vault. Title it with today's date in year, month, day format using digits, matching the current date on your screen. After the note opens, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac to open the command palette. Start typing templater until you see the matching commands. Select Insert Template. A list of available templates will appear. Choose Daily Note Template. As soon as you select it, the template is inserted into the note, and the code blocks transform into real dates and working internal links. Wait a moment while it loads and finishes processing everything in the note. When the process completes, you'll see the final output directly in your note inside your account workspace. The heading now shows the current date, the created line displays the formatted version, and the yesterday and tomorrow links are generated automatically based on the date variables you added. The offset date entries also resolve based on the settings and syntax you entered in the template. You have now successfully used template or date variables in Obsidian. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, the setup is complete, the template is working, and your note now reflects the correct dynamic dates generated by Templater. That's the full process for using template or date variables in Obsidian. From installing the plugin, to configuring the template folder, to creating the template note, and then inserting it into a dated note so the variables render properly. Congratulations!